safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the fasten seatbelt sign is switched off. This will indicate that we have parked at our gate position. Please check around your seat for any personal belongings and be careful when opening the overhead bins. We kindly ask that you refrain from sitting or placing heavy baggage on the armrest. If you are traveling on another Caribbean Airlines service, you are required to surrender all duty-free liquids to our security agents, who will return it to you at the door of your next departing flight. If you require further assistance, we ask that you check with our ground agents in the terminal. We wish you a safe and enjoyable journey. Smoking is prohibited except in designated smoking areas outside the terminal. Duty-free shopping is available to all landed passengers. Purchases must be made before proceeding to the customs officials. The Caribbean Airlines duty-free shop is located to the left just after you leave immigration. Be sure to check out our branded merchandise at the Caribbean shop. This is the end of Caribbean Airlines Flight 401. It was indeed our pleasure serving you. We most enjoyed your company. On behalf of Captain Michael Jones and the rest of the crew, we'd like to thank you for flying Caribbean Airlines and do enjoy the rest of your evening. Thank you.